ちは。安全運転を。
I love that. Yo, so it's like my first time driving the car, and literally, it's like raining. It's raining in here. Here, let me back up for you guys. Literally, it's raining on me. Yo, what's up guys? So, it's been a while, but I'm trying to make a comeback for 2021. So, just bear with me. It's kind of weird talking in front of the camera, but we'll get through this. Anyway, so I recently bought a 240SX S13 hatch, as you can see. My plan with it is to make it a really cool daily driver, because I'm tired of driving my truck. I'm tired of driving my FJ Cruiser every day. So this gets really good gas mileage for being a single cam. I just wanted to show you guys my new 240SX before I slam it on its nuts. So let's hop out here. I bought this car for I bought this car for 1,800 bucks from my coworker, and it was just sitting in his driveway rotting away. So decided to pick it up. It's not in the best shape, but for 1,800 bucks, I think this is the cheapest 240SX in my whole area. So here she is. So I've driven the car a couple times and I haven't had any problems with it, and it's pretty straight. Like the car is actually really straight, like there's no big dents or anything. Besides, if you look over here, it looks like there's like some rust going on behind the paint. I don't know what's going on there, but we'll figure that out. And if you look over here, it's a little bit of a quarter panel dent. It's not too bad, but I'm still debating if I want to go over fenders or just popping that dent out. I don't know. And if you look right down here, it looks like someone hit a curb with the car, or like drove over a curb, you know, like turning. So there's that. But I plan on getting side skirts to cover that up. Hello?
Hello, what are you doing?
I'm recording a video.
Okay, I'm gonna be home soon, and then I'm gonna drop off your gift, and then I have to go to the store. So when I get home, be prepared to open your gift. On camera! Oh my gosh, can you open it on camera?
Okay, I'll see.
Okay, love you.
Okay, love you. Bye.
Bye.
You guys, the biggest flex. Let me clear this. That right there is my biggest flex. None of these cars are my biggest flex. Okay, I might have 6, 7 cars, but you know, my biggest flex is my baby right there. Yo, that was mad corny. I had to rewatch that. I was like, okay.
It's something you don't need, but it's something you enjoy.
Wow. Oh, there's a, oh, whoa. Thank you. Oh, man, the camera can't even focus onto it. That's so cool. You're the best.
Thanks. I know.
Anyway, it's getting kind of late, but I'm gonna go ahead and grab the coilovers. I'm gonna show you guys the coilovers right now, and then we'll get to lowering this thing. All right, kind of a weird setup, but I'm gonna show you guys the coilovers I got for the 240. These are the Rev 9, I think 2s. They have like a lower model, and this is like the mid-tier Rev 9 coilovers. So I bought these on Amazon for 480 bucks or something, right? I was gonna get some really nice like BC coilovers, but it didn't make sense to spend $1,000 plus on a car that's like 1,800 bucks. That's like worth more than half the car, basically. So we got these, and they're actually really good quality. Like I didn't see many reviews online for them, like, but I thought I'd give them a shot. Okay, so I have a pair of Stance coilovers from my G35 that I'm gonna be installing, right? And then these are the Rev 9s, right? And if you ask me, like build wise, quality wise, I think like all the welds and everything look really good on these $400 coilovers. Like, I don't know, I guess we'll find out. I just want to be slammed. Slammed. Yo, so this isn't a how-to video. This is just me, I don't know, making a video of me lowering my car. So, I guess I'm gonna try and do some B-roll, I guess. I don't know, we'll see. Hopefully by, hopefully by the time I'm done, hopefully I'm done today, because I really want to drive this thing tonight, so. B-roll, action! So I got the old shock out, old coilover or whatever. It looks like it was on lowering springs. Actually, this thing is freaking huge. And this is what's going in. And I think I'm just gonna set it to the lowest it'll go. So I'm not gonna measure anything. I'm just gonna turn this collar until it's maxed out, basically. That is the biggest spider I have ever seen. Damn, what a difference. Damn, sitting nice. The front needs some work, but I really like that.